Join me as I try to transform my boring room into a serene Japanese indoor oasis, complete with all the Zen vibes. Did you know that studies have shown just having a few indoor plants can reduce stress by up to 60%? Imagine what a fully designed Japanese indoor garden could do for your mind and soul. Let's find out together. Today's video is all about turning your everyday space into a peaceful retreat using Japanese garden design principles right inside your home. From natural design elements and indoor water features to the beauty of minimalist garden setups, we'll take a journey through creating your very own Japanese indoor garden design. This isn't just about decorating, it's about inviting nature indoors and crafting a haven of indoor tranquility. If you're into home decor, green living, or interior design, you're going to love this transformation. What if we could create tranquil spaces right where we live? That's where Japanese garden design comes in. It's not just for the outdoors. With the right indoor gardening tips and garden decor, we can design spaces that breathe, soothe, and inspire. Japanese gardens aren't just about looks, they're about feeling, simplicity, harmony, mindfulness. Whether it's a minimalist design or a small corner with just a few indoor plants, the idea is to let nature indoors and create a connection with the earth, even from your apartment. Minimalism plays a huge role here. Forget overcluttering your space with random decor. Japanese indoor garden design is all about clean lines, uncluttered surfaces, and choosing just a few natural design elements that evoke peace. Think smooth stones, bamboo, small bonsai trees, and neutral tones. Each item should have purpose and presence. The sound of gently trickling water can instantly shift your mood. Consider adding a small indoor fountain or tabletop water feature. In Japanese garden design, water represents life's constant movement and renewal. It's a grounding element that adds a meditative vibe to your serene home decor. Not all indoor plants fit the Japanese aesthetic. Some top picks: ferns, peace lilies, snake plants, bamboo, and of course bonsai. These plants are low maintenance and align beautifully with the minimalist garden concept. Don't forget plant care. Knowing when to water and how much light your plants need is part of honoring your indoor garden. Furniture should be low profile, simple, and made from natural materials. Avoid bulky pieces. Instead, use floor cushions, wooden stools, or a simple tea table. Leave breathing room between items. This negative space is just as important as the decor itself. Now let's see it in action. Here's the before, a plain, cluttered room with no real focus. And here's the after, a minimalist garden corner with soft lighting, peaceful plants, and gentle water sounds. Notice how different the room feels: more peaceful, more focused. This is the power of Japanese garden design. The shift isn't just visual, it's emotional. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What part of the Japanese indoor garden style speaks to you the most? Are you into indoor water features or minimalist plant corners? Drop your oasis ideas in the comments. And if you want more indoor gardening and home decor inspiration, check out my videos on cozy home makeovers and Zen living spaces. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's keep bringing nature indoors, one peaceful project at a time.